Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I am going to show you how I take pieces of scraps and I cut them together, or cut them together actually. I'm going to place them together and I'm going to cut them, and they're going to be two different materials. I like to do this because what I have cut out using from my scraps, I will be able to make two shirts. On this one I showed the example, and I am doing a YouTube for all the customers that have asked about this. So I am going to show you because I did a TikTok on it. And here's another one with the scraps that I did. And here is another one, just different examples. And this one was very fun to do. Alright, and I do have the YouTube videos on our channel of those, so you can see. But let's go ahead and we're going to do this one, but I'm going to do this one in a Happy New Year's. Alright, so I am going to take my one this is the soft metallic, specialty material soft metallic. This is the leopard. And then this is the Champagne Caesar's glitter. Alright, and the easiest way to do this is I'm going to take one and I like to cover it with the glitter. Whoops. Okay. Okay. And then the leopard is going to be on the back. Okay. And I'm also going to do that with the New Year. Alright, so good thing with the adhesive, it is going to hold it. And then I'm just going to randomly cut. I'm actually going to do this one 3 parts, kind of like I did that one. And the key to this is when you press these on, you're going to want to press them one at a time, because if not, you may get gaps in those. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to randomly cut through this one. I'm going to go okay, so I have a little bit right up here. And then I am going to go okay. And I'm going to do that with this one also. Okay, so, alright, now I'm going to cut one more. Okay, so now I have these, and these are going to make 2 shirts. Okay. Now I am going to put these together. Take them apart, and I'm going to place these together. Okay. Alright, now since I already have my press preheated at 320, now on these I'm just going to tack for just a few seconds because I am going to place some other things on here, and I'm going to need that in just a minute. Pre-pressing to get the moisture out. Right, and I am going to go ahead and use a pressing pillow. So the reason why I'm going to be using the pressing pillow is because I want a good press, And this long sleeve shirt has thick lines and seams in it. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go ahead and put this pressing pillow in here. Alright. So now I am going to pick one of these and I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to use this for my center. This is the adult. Pull this back out. Do my adult. And I'm going to start right there. Alright. Now this one is a cold peel. So I'm going to have to wait on it. Okay. Oops. All right, so there is my other one. All right. Go ahead and straighten this back out. Okay. This does take a little bit. And I have the tape right here, so if I need to, let's see, I am going to turn this sideways so that way I can see a little bit more. I'm a little okay. And just to assure, because I have the pressing pillow and everything, I am going to heat tape this just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to leave that one and let that one cool off. And I am going to move it up just a little bit because I'm actually going to leave the carrier sheet of that one for the cold peel and peel it last. See if I can. Okay, so now that I have that pulled off, straighten back up here, and I am going to line these up. Go. All right, so now I can pull that. And now, okay, so now I turned my lights down a little bit so that way you could see a little bit better. All right. And that is using the scraps. And don't forget, we have a pound of scraps for $15. You can watch a video. I have a video of me undoing a box of a bag of scraps, and got over 30 pieces, big pieces that I could make this with. With just 2 of them, I made 2 shirts. All right, if you have any other questions, please just leave a comment below and I will answer them for you. All right, thank you.